How to show battery percentage on iOS 16. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can show battery percentage on iOS 16. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now currently you can see I have not been able to see my battery percentage even though I have updated to iOS 16. So first of all, you just want to make sure to open settings and go to the option called general and then go to software update and then make sure to install the latest version of iOS, the 16.1 or maybe 16.2, whatever else that you want to go ahead and then update to. Once you open that up, you can see I don't have a percentage written currently. So if I want to show the battery percentage, scroll down and then select the option called battery from your settings app. So once you tap on the battery option, at the very top you can see battery percentage. Now keep in mind this option is only available for iOS 16 and above users. If you're under iOS 16, you will not be able to show your battery percentage. So just turn on the toggle right over here, and once you turn this on, you can see our battery percentage is 63% as written here on the top of the screen. And that's all it takes to show battery percentage on iOS 16. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.